Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and if this is your first time, I want to welcome you to Linda's Treasures. In today's video, I am going to be sharing with you what I'm going to be doing with this shelf. We finally got our first stint of fall weather here in the Houston area. I do have several plants that I want to protect from the cold, and so I don't want to purchase a super big greenhouse, but I still want to protect my main plants. I ended up getting this shelving unit from Ikea, and I will show you closely. So I ended up getting this shelving unit from Ikea. I think I mentioned Hillis, but just in case, it is the Hillis, and it's about $14.95-ish for this 1, 2, 3, 4 shelving unit. One of my little peppers plants there, but this has multi shelving units. Now I did not add all the shelves just because I want room to grow, and so what I am going to do is I'm going to try to convert this into a greenhouse. Now mind you, IKEA does sell the protective covering to this, but I thought I could do it myself, and I do have extra plastic lining. I can probably use that in the future. I didn't mind that. So then my husband mounted this up pretty easily. What I am going to do is that I'm going to be covering this up with a plastic lining. Again, we did not add in all the shelves depending on the height of your plants. And I want my main plants to go in here to be protected from the cold. We are going to be getting a next cold front soon, and I don't want my plants to lose their willpower in continuing to strive. I have a little basil growing on the bottom from one of my mama basils that the seeds kind of blew into that pot, but I'm okay with that. Anywho, yesterday I went over to Walmart and I ended up purchasing the Husky plastic sheeting, and this is a 10-foot by 25-foot plastic, so it's over 250 square foot long, so that's a pretty good amount. And I have since measured the height here, like you see here on my ruler, and it was pretty easy to roll out, and I am removing it to the one layer right here. And my husband gave me the idea that I could use heavyweight of velcro to velcro it around here, so that way I can also easily remove it if it's not a super cold day, but that way my plants can also breathe and catch the appropriate sunlight that they need. So that is what I'm going to be doing. So hopefully this will help you if you have any metal stands like this. That could probably help and simulate a little greenhouse and have your plants or your herbs to continue to flourish during the harsh fall winter seasons. I have this heavy duty velcro that you can probably get at Home Depot, and it is probably about 2 inches thick or so, and I measured it and I cut it in half to 1 inch. It is absolutely nicely flushed over the top portion here. And I did cut it in 4 parts because I didn't want to go super crazy in not making sure that is not as even as possible. I was able to cut that out just like so. Now this portion, which is the softer portion of the velcro, I am going to go ahead and stick it on directly to my plastic that I have laid out right here, and I will show you how I do that. So I only added the Velcro up in the top only. And I believe it should protect my plants. However, oh my God. However, if I do want to remove the plastic, I still can remove the plastic. My plants can catch the daily sunlight and the warmth of the sun during the day. And then at nighttime I can close it up. So hopefully this will help you as to conserve and protect your plants from the cold weather. Quite honestly, those are extremely expensive. And this is the first time this year that I have started working on planting and maintaining my plants, and at least my vegetables. I want to take care of them. So I am not sure if I will remove this shelf. That way my plants have enough room to continue to grow and strive in there. But we'll see how that works. This is something you enjoyed and that hopefully it'll help you. Give me a thumbs up. Share the video maybe on someone who's looking for ideas to create a simple greenhouse that is not going to be super expensive or break the bank. However, it's going to continue to allow your few vegetables to continue to strive in the winter or protect them from the cold front.